Did you know the most reliable cars of 2025 can save you over $10,000 in repair costs? While some trusted brands are quietly falling apart, most people assume reliability is just about avoiding breakdowns. But the truth is, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs over time. A solid, dependable car can cut your maintenance costs by $10,000 or more in just 5 years. That's why today, we're diving into the top 7 best cars that are built to last forever, ranked based on Consumer Reports data, real-world longevity, and owner feedback. And trust me, you're going to be surprised at which car took the #1 spot. It's not what you think. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you might just change your mind about your next car purchase. Let's begin with car number 7 on our list of the best cars that are built to last forever. The Honda CR-V, the family SUV that runs forever. When it comes to finding an SUV that won't let you down, the Honda CR-V is a name that keeps coming up for decades. It's spacious, efficient, and most importantly, built to last. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or just need a reliable family hauler, the CR-V has proven time and time again that it can go the distance. 200,000 to 300,000 miles is common for well-maintained CR-Vs, with many owners reporting their SUVs still running strong even after 20 years on the road. Honda's bulletproof engineering, combined with high-quality materials and a simple, effective design, has made the CR-V one of the longest-lasting vehicles in its class. For 2025, Honda offers 2 engine choices, a 1.5-liter turbocharged gas engine and a hybrid version that maximizes fuel efficiency. The best part? Both versions score high on reliability, with real-world data showing very few major issues even as the miles rack up. But don't just take our word for it. Consumer Reports gave the 2025 Honda CR-V a reliability score of 77, ranking it among the most dependable SUVs of the year. That's not surprising, considering CR-Vs have a reputation for low maintenance costs, with many owners spending as little as $400 per year on upkeep. In a world where many modern SUVs seem to prioritize flashy tech over long-term dependability, the CR-V sticks to what matters: reliability, efficiency, and practicality. It's no wonder why so many families refuse to drive anything else. If you're looking for an SUV that can easily last 15 to 20 years, the Honda CR-V is one of the safest bets you can make. Car number 6 on our list of the best cars that are built to last forever, we have the Hyundai Tucson. The comeback story of the decade. There was a time when Hyundai wasn't exactly known for reliability, but those days are long gone. Over the last decade, Hyundai has pulled off one of the biggest comebacks in the auto industry, and the 2025 Hyundai Tucson is proof of just how far they've come. This compact SUV isn't just stylish and fuel efficient, it's built to go the distance, with modern engineering that keeps it running strong for years. One of the biggest reasons for the Tucson's long lifespan is Hyundai's focus on cutting-edge reliability technology. The self-diagnosing engine system helps prevent breakdowns before they happen, alerting drivers to potential issues before they become costly repairs. Add in a smart hybrid powertrain option and a well-built 2.5-liter gas engine, and you've got an SUV that's both efficient and rock-solid in terms of durability. And it's not just the technology. Hyundai has also upped its quality control game, testing the Tucson in extreme conditions from freezing temperatures to scorching desert heat to ensure it holds up over time. The result? A Consumer Reports reliability score of 79 for 2025, making it one of the most dependable SUVs in its class. But what really seals the deal is what Tucson owners are saying. Many report minimal maintenance needs, with very few unexpected repairs, even after years of ownership. Some drivers have even taken their Tucsons well past 200,000 miles without major issues, proving that Hyundai has truly become a reliability powerhouse. Car number 5 on our list of the best cars that are built to last forever, we have the Lexus NX, luxury that lasts a lifetime. Luxury cars are known for their comfort and performance, but when it comes to long-term reliability, most don't hold up nearly as well as their more affordable counterparts. That's where the Lexus NX stands out. It's one of the few luxury SUVs that combines premium features with legendary dependability. Built with Toyota's proven reliability at its core, the NX delivers a high-end driving experience without the constant worry of costly repairs. So, what makes the 2025 Lexus NX a luxury SUV that can truly stand the test of time? For starters, Toyota's engineering is behind every part of it, ensuring that reliability remains a top priority. Lexus takes things even further by incorporating rust-resistant electrical connections, a durable suspension system, and smart self-diagnosing technology that alerts drivers to issues before they become expensive problems. The engine options in the NX are also designed with longevity in mind. The turbocharged 2.4-liter engine delivers 275 horsepower, while maintaining Toyota's reputation for smooth, long-lasting performance. It's built to run for hundreds of thousands of miles with routine maintenance, unlike many other luxury SUVs that become repair nightmares as they age. Consumer Reports gave the 2025 Lexus NX a reliability score of 77, proving that it's one of the most dependable premium SUVs on the market today. Unlike many luxury brands that struggle with electronic failures, expensive transmission issues, and high repair costs, Lexus has mastered the formula of quality, durability, and minimal maintenance needs. Car number 4 on our list of the best cars that are built to last forever, we have the Subaru Forester, the rugged SUV that won't quit. If you're looking for an SUV that can handle anything you throw at it, from city streets to off-road adventures, the Subaru Forester is built to last. This compact SUV has earned a reputation for being one of the toughest and most reliable vehicles on the market, and the 2025 model continues that legacy. At the heart of the Forester's durability is Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which evenly distributes power to all 4 wheels. Unlike many other AWD systems that engage only when needed, this setup provides constant stability and traction, reducing wear and tear on critical components. Whether you're navigating snowy roads, muddy trails, or steep inclines, the Forester is designed to stay in control while going the extra mile. Another key factor in the Forester's longevity is its flat boxer engine. This unique engine design lowers the vehicle's center of gravity, improving stability and reducing stress on the drivetrain. The horizontal piston movement also leads to less vibration, which means less engine wear over time. Many Forester owners report hitting 200,000 miles or more with minimal repairs, proving that this SUV is as dependable as they come. With a 2025 reliability score of 78 from Consumer Reports, the Forester is ranked as one of the most dependable SUVs in its class. Owners love it not just for its rugged capabilities, but also for its low maintenance costs and long-term durability. Car number 3 on our list of the best cars that are built to last forever, we have the Toyota Corolla, the million-mile compact car. When it comes to cars that seem to last forever, the Toyota Corolla is in a league of its own. Since its debut in 1966, the Corolla has been one of the best-selling cars in the world, and for good reason. It just doesn't quit. With a reputation for simplicity, efficiency, and rock-solid dependability, the Corolla has proven time and time again that it can easily last 300,000 miles or more with routine maintenance. One of the biggest reasons the Corolla is so durable is its straightforward, no-nonsense engineering. Unlike many modern cars that rely on overcomplicated electronics and high-maintenance turbocharged engines, the Corolla sticks to a simple, naturally aspirated powertrain that minimizes potential failure points. Fewer moving parts equals fewer problems, and that's a big part of why this car can stay on the road for decades. The Corolla's strong steel body, rust-resistant coatings, and well-designed suspension also contribute to its incredible longevity. It's built to handle daily commutes, road trips, and even harsh weather conditions without breaking down. The proof? A 1993 Toyota Corolla hit 1 million miles. That's the equivalent of driving around the Earth 40 times. For 2025, Toyota has only improved on this winning formula. Consumer Reports awarded the latest Corolla an impressive reliability score of 84, making it one of the highest-rated compact cars of the year. The Corolla has also become more fuel efficient, ensuring that it not only saves you on repairs, but also at the gas pump. Car number 2 on our list of the best cars that are built to last forever, we have the Toyota Prius, the hybrid that refuses to quit. If there's one car that changed the game for hybrids, it's the Toyota Prius. Since its debut in 1997, the Prius has been at the forefront of fuel efficiency and reliability, proving that hybrid technology isn't just about saving gas, it's built to last. Even after more than 2 decades on the road, the Prius remains the gold standard for hybrid durability, with many owners reporting over 200,000 to 300,000 miles with just routine maintenance. One of the biggest reasons for its longevity is Toyota's constant improvements to hybrid battery technology. The early Prius models used nickel metal hydride batteries, but Toyota has since switched to lithium-ion batteries, which are more efficient and last significantly longer. Unlike many hybrid competitors that struggle with expensive battery replacements, the Prius is designed so that its battery often lasts as long as the car itself. But the battery isn't the only reason the Prius holds up so well. Toyota built it with advanced features that extend its lifespan, like regenerative braking, which reduces wear on traditional brake pads, a common issue in non-hybrid cars. It also comes with a specialized cooling system that prevents overheating, ensuring the hybrid components stay in peak condition for years. For 2025, the Toyota Prius continues to dominate reliability rankings, earning a strong reliability score of 76 from Consumer Reports. That means it's still one of the best hybrid options on the market today, despite increased competition from newer models. Car number 1 on our list of the best cars that are built to last forever, we have the Toyota RAV4, the undisputed king of reliability. When it comes to SUVs that seem to last forever, the Toyota RAV4 is at the top of the list. For over a decade, it has dominated reliability charts, proving time and time again that it's one of the toughest, most dependable vehicles on the road. But what exactly makes the RAV4 so incredibly durable? The secret lies in Toyota's rock-solid engineering. At the heart of the 2025 RAV4 is its 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, a combination that's simple, efficient, and built for longevity. Unlike more complex turbocharged engines that require costly maintenance, the RAV4's powertrain is designed to last hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues. Beyond the engine, Toyota has reinforced the RAV4's durability in every aspect. It features a timing chain instead of a belt, which means fewer replacements and lower maintenance costs over time. The rust-resistant panels and reinforced chassis add another layer of longevity, making sure the RAV4 stays in great shape even in harsh weather conditions. And the numbers back it up. Consumer Reports has ranked the 2025 RAV4 among the highest in reliability, proving that Toyota's formula for long-lasting SUVs still works. But if you need more proof, just ask RAV4 owners. Many report their SUVs lasting well past 300,000 miles, and some have even hit 400,000 miles with just routine maintenance. That's the equivalent of driving around the Earth 16 times. In a market where many modern SUVs are filled with overcomplicated electronics and high-maintenance components, the RAV4 sticks to what works: proven technology, smart engineering, and a focus on reliability over flashy gimmicks. Before you buy your next car, make sure to check reliability scores, owner reviews, and real-world longevity data, because a dependable car isn't just a smart purchase, it's an investment in stress-free driving.